Listen, read and say. To write a date, we write the day, the month and the year. 1116 equals to 1st January 2016. We say the 1st of January 2016. Read and say. The 2nd of March 2016. The 5th of September 2015. The 7th of March 2014. Complete the sentences. Say and write today's date. Read and say. The 21st of February 1952 is the Language Martyrs Day. On this day in 1952, students in Dhaka gave their lives for their mother language. The day is now called International Mother Language Day. Let's talk why 21st February is special for us.